Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to send money through Zelle with Comerica Bank. If you don't have a Comerica Bank account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to register and get a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfers. Then here, you will see a tab that says Send Money with Zelle. Click on Send Money with Zelle. Now, select the recipient. So if you haven't added any recipients yet, click on the New Contact button. Before you proceed, review the following information. If everything looks good, click on Continue. Next, enter the amount you're going to transfer. Then, review the transfer details by clicking on the Review button. Here, you could also state the reason for sending money, but this is just optional. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Send. That's how you send money through Zelle with Comerica Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.